This video will show you how to replace a Mini Cooper 2012 Countryman Taillight. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope this video helps you out. I broke my taillight a few weeks ago. So I did a search on Amazon. I quickly found what I was looking for, the right-hand side taillight, added it to the cart, paid for it, and waited for my delivery. I made this video because I could not find one at the time that I was replacing my taillight, so I decided to put one out there to help somebody else out. Working on a Mini Cooper, it's very tight and very difficult to show everything on video, so I'll do the best I can to make it as simple as possible for you to follow. Open up your trunk and go to the right-hand side. Remove the gray panel that looks like a grill. 2 clips hold it in. Once inside, you will see that it is very tight to work in. You'll first remove the bulb connector and the wire connector. Do not attempt to remove the chrome. The chrome is part of the unit. A 5/16 wrench is all that you will need to loosen the nuts and retighten them to install the unit. Loosen the bottom 2 and the top left. Push out the old unit and push in the new unit. You'll hear a clipping sound, and retighten the bottom 2 and the top left nut with that 5/16 wrench until it is flush. Once inside, reconnect the bulb holder and the wire harness, and make sure that you tighten them enough where the foam on the unit is flush. Once you are finished, take a look at your work, make sure everything is flush and that the taillight is working. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe and share with somebody else.